Let me show you how to check if you're shadow banned or TikTok or not. First, you want to click on profile at the bottom of your screen and click on the three line at the top right of your screen. Then you want to choose settings and privacy at the bottom and scroll all the way down until you see support. Click on it and click on safety center over here. Then you want to choose account status. So over here, if you have violated any community guidelines, it's going to show up over here, but since I have not, it's empty. Now, if you have violated any community guidelines, then TikTok will try to shadow ban you. But if it is empty over here, that means you're not shadow banned. But sometimes even if it is empty, you're still shadow banned. So the next step you want to do is click on home at the bottom of your screen and then click on the search icon at the top right of your screen. Over here, you want to search your account's name. So open up another TikTok account and search for your account name. So I want to check if my account Wizzy Wister is shadow banned, so I'm going to search using this name, and once I search for it, as you guys can see, my account shows up. That basically means I'm not shadow banned. But if I searched for it and nothing showed up, that means my account would have been shadow banned. So that's one way. Hope you understand how to check if you're shadow banned on TikTok or not. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.